June is Cataract Awareness Month. But what does that mean? And why should we care? MEDiSURG has 25 years in this industry and is here to help explain why we should be knowledgeable about how cataracts can affect you and your family. Cataracts are a common eye condition where the natural lens of the eye becomes cloudy, leading to blurry vision, glare sensitivity, and sometimes even vision loss. It's one of the leading causes of blindness, especially in older adults. The good news is cataracts are highly treatable with surgery that restores clear vision. At MEDiSURG, we support the eye surgical teams who make that possible. We specialize in buying, selling, and servicing eye surgical equipment used in cataract procedures. Everything from phaco machines and microscopes to handpieces and vital accessories. Our mission is to help eye surgery centers stay fully operational and ready to serve patients. Need reliable parts? Fast service? MEDiSURG is ready to keep your equipment running and your schedule on track. We also offer hands-on training to ensure your team is confident with the tools they use. Whether it's learning a new system, updated technology, or teaching biomeds how to do preventative maintenance. This Cataract Awareness Month, let's continue working together to restore vision and change lives. Visit MEDiSURG.com to learn more.